Hey guys, welcome to today's writing lesson. We are still in figurative language, and today we're learning about oxymorons. I love oxymorons. I think they're so funny. And what's funny about them is that we use them all the time and we don't even know it. Okay, so basically, what an oxymoron is, it's a figure of speech where two words with opposite meanings are used side by side. So, for example, right here it says, that cake was awfully good. Well, we say that a lot, but if you think about it, awful means bad and good is good. So those are opposites. So what does that actually mean, right? But that's an oxymoron. And what's really cool about the word oxymoron is if you break it down into Greek roots, because you know I love my roots, oxy means sharp and moron means dull. And sharp and dull are what? Oh, they're opposites. So it's kind of like oxymoron. The word itself is also oxymoronic, which is really cool. So we're going to go through some examples. Example number 1. The evil genius looked at his amazingly awful plans and grinned. Okay, so looking at that sentence, basically you need to figure out where um, is there two words that are opposites. Okay, evil genius, not really opposite. Genius just means smart. Evil is bad, but smart and bad aren't opposites, right? However, amazingly and awful, amazing is a good thing, awful is a bad thing. Amazingly awful, that right there is the oxymoron. Okay, all right, next one. I am almost totally sure I failed that test, she said. Okay, so we need two words side by side that are opposite. Almost and totally are opposites, right? So that is the oxymoron. Moving on. Prepare for a crash landing, the pilot yelled. Take a look at it really quick. So the oxymoron in this sentence would be crash landing, which is funny. This is one that we hear all the time, but think about it. A plane has two options. It can land or it can crash. Crash landing together, we know what it means, but really it's an oxymoron. The shelves were bare except for one can. Well, it looks like this is our only choice. I don't know if some of you have run into this problem lately at the grocery store. I know I have. So looking at this one, what are the two words side by side that are opposites? This one's kind of tricky. If you figured it out, it's actually right here. Only choice. A choice usually means, well, if you really look at the definition, a choice means that there are choices, options, more than one. Only means one. So only choice is the oxymoron. That one is tricky. Okay, last one. Thomas ordered the jumbo shrimp at the restaurant. Well, if you look at this sentence, there's kind of only one option, and that would be jumbo shrimp. Now, I don't know if you've had jumbo shrimp, but it's basically shrimp, but they're just really big. But when you think of shrimp, shrimp are small. So jumbo shrimp is actually the oxymoron, which is kind of funny. Okay, so now that you've learned about this, you're going to go to the activity where you are going to be finding some oxymorons in a story. Good luck.